Sounds of Babylon is an opportunity for us to showcase Chaldean and Iraqi artists with the Detroit Symphony Orchestra.
Sound of Babylon is an awesome night where our Chaldean musicians will come together with the DSO musicians and perform some of cultural music and music related to the events in Iraq tonight.
I think it's been a great experience for both, for the Iraqi musicians and for the DSO musicians.
Working with Oriole Sands and the whole DSO, it's a great experience. This is a very good bridge we built. From now on, it's going to be more and more and more.
Sounds of Babylon is benefiting all of the programs, the refugee resettlement programs from the Chaldean Community Foundation, the Chaldean Chamber's not-for-profit arm. Many people don't know that over 16,000 people come through our offices every year, mainly Iraqi refugees that we help resettle, learn English, find a job, help them buy a car, healthcare, long-term housing, many other things. We put them on a path to become independent of government subsidies so they can contribute to the economy like the Chaldeans that came before them.